Want to learn how to make this? Just follow me. No. Come on. Let's go. Hang in there with me, guys, because I promise you won't be disappointed. If you want to be able to make yourself a background in under an hour, I'm your girl to show you. So go ahead and hit that bell so you get notifications when any future videos come on. Like, share, subscribe. I am going to be bringing out so much content. I promise you, you're going to be like, ah, she's vomiting content. Well then, glad that you guys stuck around through all that. This was hard work, let me tell you. Hey.
Recording?
I am.
Already?
Yeah. I'm gonna do the thing on how I did this. Did you spray this down?
No, I just brought you Corona here.
Why would you do that?
Yeah.
Get out. Anyway, let's get back into different things. To make this background, I needed a couple different things. I actually purchased a trifold board, which is like the little project boards we used to do when we were in school. I purchased some contact paper, which is what this is, believe it or not. Contact paper. I found these little signs. They were about $4 each. And I want to say some adhesive. Yeah, that's what I did. Anytime you're finished.
I ain't get that water. Just mayonnaise and tuna fish, the hot sauce, and a bunch of seasonings. I ain't got no eggs, none of good stuff in there.
First off, I have to come taste it before I eat it. I purchased that because I had a specific look that I was going for. I wanted something that was kind of unique, something that a lot of people didn't really have, and so came up with this. I didn't want to do a green screen. I didn't want to do where I plug myself in or anything like that. I really wanted something that could be my corner, my area for my channel. So here we are. Now, what I did do was take that trifold board and I put the contact paper. I sprayed a little bit of adhesive at the top just to give it a little bit more structure, make sure it was really sturdy in there. And then I put it all from top to bottom of the I turned it the long way, so it wasn't wide widthwise, but it was long lengthwise. I think I said that right. I found these pictures. These are about $4 each. They were $3.98 each, so $4 if you're gonna round up. And what I did was I used my little 3M pull hookies, and there you go. So I literally made myself a corner. I did this simply because I was up all night last night on Amazon, and while I was able to find a lot of great backgrounds, don't get me wrong, if you type in background, it comes up with so much stuff. It wasn't what I wanted. I wanted something to be specific to this area. I wanted something that was going to fit in here. I didn't want it to be like a drape behind me. So that's how I came up with this one. Now, of course, I'll be using different backgrounds. But if this is something that you are interested in doing, I definitely say find you some fabric, find you some contact paper. I actually was able to find contact paper at the Dollar Tree. The reason I didn't get that paper from the Dollar Tree was because, one, it wasn't the style that I was looking for, and two, I would have had to buy like 4 rolls of it to even get somewhat of the board done. I do have more because this is actually a wall. So I contacted my wall and then I just put the board against it to make it flush, so it all kind of comes together and it makes one nice corner. I can sit here, I can drink me a nice little drink. Put that on my little table. If I want to sit in here to escape just being out in the house, I have my area. But this will be my little corner when I'm doing my, makeup tutorials, maybe when I'm doing more so about my hair, when I'm doing things on all types of stuff. This will be my corner. So this is a really short video. It wasn't long. I just kind of wanted to give a glimpse into how to make a corner if you're interested into it. If you want to make something that's special to you, to your space, that's what this video was for. I hope it was enjoyable. I hope you guys got some knowledge out of it. I'm going to drop the link. Ask me any questions if you have questions in regards to what I used and how I did it. This is just a bar stool. We bought these bar stools about 2-3 years ago, and they're in our living room to go under our bar, but nobody really uses them. So I said, just go bring it upstairs. Why not? Why not? I think that's it. I do have little lights on here. Can't really see them, I don't think, in here. So I'll probably try and figure out a way to get them to something like that, maybe. I don't know. Just play around with it. Make it yours. Make it what you like. I'm gonna dim down my ring light so you kind of get a better feel of what it looks like in a dimmable light. It's your space. Make it that. This is mine. This is what I envisioned, and so this is what I got. It's my corner. I hope you guys like it. And so again, thanks for hanging out with me today. I know this video was short, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciate you for taking your time out and spending it with me. If you have any more video ideas, if you have any questions or comments, please don't be afraid to leave them below. I definitely will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks again. Loves. Smooches.